Hello students, today I will start chapter number 15th of your reasoning book, that is coding and decoding. Let's see the question number 1. If money is coded as NPOFZ, student, firstly you have to see this question till here. You can see M is here, M's coding is N. That means after the M which letter will come? N. Similarly O is here, after the O which letter will come? P. N is here, after the N which letter will come? O. Similarly E is here, after the E which letter will come? F. And you can see Y is here, and after the Y which letter will come? Z. Similarly, this coding and decoding, you have to find out the solution of this decoding. Let's see. H is here, and after the H which letter will come? I. Similarly O is here, then which letter will come? P. N is here, which letter will come? O. E is here, after the E which letter will come? F. And Y is here, and after the Y which letter will come? Z. So according to this coding, which option will be right? B. Now students, let's see the question number 2. If LUTE is written as MUTE, students, you can see the coding and decoding of this part. L is here, and after the L which letter will come? M. Similarly, UTE, that means second, third and fourth letters are in the similar position. Here you can see UTE is also here. Only first letter is changed, that means L plus 1, that means after the L which letter will come? M. Similarly, in the second part you can see F is here, after the F which letter will come? G. That means F plus 1 means G, and second, third and fourth part are similar to each other. Similarly, you can see B is here, and after the B which letter will come? C, and rest parts are same. So according to this coding and decoding, which option will be right? A. Now student, let's see the question number 3. Road is coded as URDG, then SWAN is coded as. Student, roads coding is given here. Let's see here. R's value is U, that means R, after the R S and T is missing, that means U is here. Similarly O, then P and Q is missing, you can see R is here. A, then B and C is missing, that means D is here. And after the D, E and F will come, but these two letters are missing, then G will be here. That means in each and every letters you have to add plus 2. That means just like this, SWAN. After the S you have to left two alphabets, that means V will come, that means T and you have to left. Similarly, after the W you have to left two letter, that means Z will come. Similarly, after the A you have to left two letter, that means D will come. And similarly in the N you have to left two letters, that means Q will come. So option number C will be right for this question. Let's see the question number 4. Students, you can see here favor is written as EBUPTS. Let's see. F. F से पहले कौन सा लेटर आता है स्टूडेंट्स? E. And A, after the A which letter will come? B. Similarly V से पहले कौन सा आता है? U. And O के बाद कौन सा आता है? P. That means -1 plus 1, -1 plus 1. This is the given question. In each and every letters, firstly you have to start from -1, then +1, then -1, then +1, then -1, then +1. Similarly in this option, D से पहले का लेटर कौन सा है स्टूडेंट्स? C. And after the A which letter will come? B. N से पहले M. After the G which letter will come? H. Before the E which letter will come? D. And after the S R which letter will come? S. That means according to this situation, option number A will be right for this question. Let's see the question number 5. Students, for the question number 5, you have to know each and every alphabetical values, like A's value is 1, B's value is 2, C's value is 3, D's value is 4, E's value is 5, F value is 6. Similarly, Y's value is 25 and Z's value is 26. Students, you can see here R is there. As you know that what is the value of R according to the alphabet? 18. You can see 18 is written here. Similarly, The value of E is 5 according to the alphabet. You can see 5 is here. According to the alphabet, Q's value is 17. You can see 17 is here. Then what is the value of U? U's value is 21. You can see 21 is here. Then again E is here. That means E's value is 5 according to the alphabet. You can see 5 is here. That means you have to note down each and every alphabet values. So here is A, C, I, A, D. That means A's value is 1, C's value is 3, I's value is 9 and D's value is 4. So which option will be right? Option number A. Now student, let's see the last question of this exercise. If solid is written as 18, 15, 11, 9 and 3. Student, as you know that according to the alphabet, S value is 19. But here is written 18. That means 19 minus 1, you can see here 18. Then O's value is 15 and here is also 15. There is no changes. L's value is 12 but here is written 11. That means 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. I's value is 9. You can see this value is same and D's value is 4 according to the alphabet but here is written 3. That means 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So first, third and fifth. In first, third and fifth alphabet, you have to use -1. Then you have to note down the values. Similarly, you have to do like this here also. That means M. First, M is the first letter. According to the alphabet, M's value is 13. But according to this criteria, you have to note down the value is 12. So M value will be 12. O value you have to note down in the similar way. T's value is 20 but you have to note down 19. A's value is 1, you have to note down in the similar way. And R's value is according to the alphabet 18 but you have to note down 17. So according to this criteria, which option will be right? A. But student, here is 1 missing, so you can use here 1. I hope now you are able to solve the whole exercise. Thank you.